This is the Incredible Rain Part 2. My brother's playing some Among Us. Hey, goodness. No, okay. And my baby brother's sleeping. Grandma's doing some things. Probably. And yeah, there was a close by thunderstorm. You could see it with the 2 black spots. I don't think you can see it, but there's like 2 black spots. Oh gosh, the rain's getting heavier. I feel like every time I record oh, the car's coming. Incredible rain. I feel like it just gets mad at me because why is it getting heavier? Okay, I'm inside. That's why you see this net thing. Flush. See it now. Try to.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna reveal. Okay, here we go. This is the front view. Oh gosh. The front view. I hope you could see it. Palace thing right here. Sheesh. Oh no. That is flooding. That is flooding. I should probably get my jacket. Because I'm getting a little wet. It'll just at the top. Okay. There we go. Just went down. That's still flooding. Okay. Let's do this. As you can see, that's flooding. Street kind of flooding. I have many Google apps, so it could tell me. It's my front view. Okay. Just wait until I reach 4 minutes, and then I'll go back and do my side view. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, they were painting that. I'm sorry if the paint gets ruined. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. So, show you through my windows. We just live in an apartment. That's my front view. I don't see anything. Ooh. It's calming down a little. All animals should be up here in the rain. Sorry. Calm me down a little. Make sure to visit my brother's channel, Anna Flores, which my name is also Anna. No, my name is Jerry Gaming Romero. It's still flooding somehow. And of course, no trees are broken, but everything is just windy and everything is wet. Look at my porch. It's wet. It just looks like someone just puked water. Wait, I did puke water before. I think that was like when I was 3 or 4. I don't know. I think I was drinking too much water and then threw up. Then my grandma told me to eat, but I threw up again. My mom got mad. That was a part of my story of life. Next video, you get to know about me. But I'm not telling you email or whatever address. Not telling you that. Or anything that I shouldn't be telling you. Because I have my internet safety by my teacher. That is just about internet safety. So I won't get banned or something. In Illinois, tornadoes only happen through March through May. But sometimes there is incredible rain during fall. If I go up here, it shouldn't be that rainy. Gosh, it's getting pissed off. Go through that. That should do the trick. It's this net. I have a net thing because that's me. That's almost filled. Screen is wet, but not for you. Minutes. It's starting to calm down a little. Starting to calm down. Did someone paint that? There's like a yellow side. You don't see a yellow side here. Our house only has like 3 floors, but the 3rd floor we don't even go up because there's a lot of spiders, ants, mouses, birds. I'll wait until 10 minutes, but I think it's getting more mad. No, I think that was my mom's car. See, this car is getting through the rain. It's working. Oh yeah, for some reason that looks like that. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't even notice that. There's a lot of dead grass over here. Yeah, that's basically... That's smoke? No, that's clouds. Oh yeah, I'll tell you another thing. When I was a kid, I thought smoke could make clouds. And okay, we're going back in. You're there now. gosh. Chocos is wet. Let me just take off my sweater. Okay. Put it right there. Okay. Nothing, I just recorded the rain. It just started to calm down a little. Okay. Oh, bye guys. Make sure to visit my brother's channel and Flores. Fine, Xeno 3S.
It used to be called. Yeah.
Yeah, but bye.